Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to fix auto brightness issue on this device. So actually your phone tries to save some battery by dimming your screen, but it can get stuck and sometimes it's very irritating. So let's open settings and you want to scroll to section display and brightness, and of course you can just turn off automatic option so that you manually adjusted your brightness, but I suggest you another option. So instead you want to keep automatic option on, and while you are in dark room you want to manually slide the brightness bar up to your comfortable level, and your phone will log this manual adjustment by using this slider as a preference for that specific lighting in your room. And after doing this for a few times, from 3 to 4 times, this sensor should automatically adjust to that brightness level. But of course, if this does not help you, you can simply turn off automatic option and manually use the slider in order to adjust your brightness on your screen. So that is basically it. That's how you can fix auto brightness on your HONOR Magic8 Pro device. And if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.